Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to be doing another interesting video for you guys today. It will be on the clip in the Doctor episode, A Town Called Mercy, where the gunslinger goes like, "Face me!" So I'll show it right now. Okay. So I'm starting off to the scene before, or even that person's in that kind of spaceship thing.
Where is he?
He's gone.
Where? Answer me!
Away from here. Look up. Any second now, you'll see the vapor trail of this shit. This is their home, not the backdrop for your revenge. Look up, go after him. Take him back and away from Carla Tech. Carla Tech.
Tex. Coward. Where are you?
I'm in my ship.
Carla Tech, something.
What are you doing? Just go! Where are you from? We're on Carla. Now? You're asking him this now?
Gabriel.
I know it. It's beautiful there. When this is over, will you go back?
How can I? I am a monster now.
So am I. Just go! Finish this!
I will find you. If I have to tear this universe apart, I will find you.
Yes.
I don't doubt that. You'll chase me to another planet. And another race will be caught in the crossfire.
Then face me!
Face me!
Countdown to self-destruct presumed.
Face me!
No. You've killed enough. I'm ending the war for you too.
Countdown to self-destruct presumed.
What's going on? The countdown. What's going on, Jack? The Doctor. I have to face the souls of those.
Yeah, I'll show you the ship explosion as well.
Perhaps they will be kind.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Boom! Whoa, that is just mad. And after all this, that gunslinger becomes the marshal. Yeah, that's about it. Okay. So there you go, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.